The hyena, belonging to the Hyenidae family, is a carnivorous mammal. It ranks as the fifth smallest among carnivorous mammals and is considered one of the smaller mammals overall. Hyenas play a vital and distinctive role in the African ecosystem. While primarily active during the night, they are known to engage in hunting during the early morning hours. Living in large social groups, hyenas establish a well-defined hierarchy of leadership. They originally evolved in Eurasia and gave rise to two distinct types: the bone-crushing hyenas and the lightly built dog-like hyenas. The dog-like hyenas spread across North America before perishing due to climate changes, with the aardwolf being the sole surviving representative. Meanwhile, the bone-crushing hyenas, including the spotted, brown, and striped hyenas, became the dominant scavengers in Africa and Eurasia. These fascinating creatures hold significant cultural importance, featuring prominently in mythology and folklore, often depicted as objects of contempt. In certain African communities, hyenas are associated with bad omens, leading to their immediate persecution and elimination. Let's take a look at the four species of hyenas. The brown hyena, also known as the strand wolf, holds the distinction of being the rarest among the hyena species. Its habitat spans Zimbabwe, South Africa, Mozambique, and Namibia, with the largest surviving population residing in the Kalahari Desert. This unique hyena predominantly thrives in desert and semi-desert environments, as well as woodland savannas. While primarily occupying these natural habitats, there have been rare instances of brown hyenas venturing closer to urban areas in search of sustenance. Distinguishing features of the brown hyena include pointed ears, a short tail, and a long shaggy coat of dark brown coloration. Similar to the spotted hyena, it possesses powerful jaws capable of easily breaking bones. Although primarily functioning as scavengers, relying on leftover carcasses as their primary food source, brown hyenas supplement their diet with eggs, insects, rodents, and small mammals. The striped hyena stands out as the sole hyena species with a distribution extending beyond Africa, as it can be found in the Middle East, India, and Central Asia. Despite its wide range, it remains one of the least studied hyenas. Its elusive nature and nocturnal behavior have contributed to various misconceptions. One common misconception is that the striped hyena is a solitary species, often observed alone. However, a recent study utilizing camera traps has shed light on their complex social structure. Although they may forage individually, striped hyenas engage in frequent interactions with others. While scavenging the carcasses of large mammals forms their primary feeding behavior, striped hyenas are highly opportunistic. In regions such as Asia and Northern Africa, they often reside on the fringes of human settlements, adapting their feeding habits accordingly. This proximity to human presence can lead to conflicts, especially in densely populated areas where their scavenging includes livestock. Consequently, they are often found near farms and may also raid fruit orchards and vegetable gardens. Furthermore, they take advantage of roadkill as a food source, putting them at risk of vehicle collisions. The cryptic nature of striped hyenas makes them challenging to spot in the wild. However, checking near known den sites is a recommended method while ensuring minimal disturbance to the den. Excellent opportunities for sightings can be found in reserves like Kenya's Samburu and the private Laikipia, particularly during night safaris. Kenya, including areas around Ndutu, is also home to striped hyenas, with some photographers having luck in those regions. Specialty wildlife tour operators in India have achieved considerable success in encountering striped hyenas, primarily through night safaris and locating known dens. Reserves in the Little Rann of Kutch offer particularly rewarding sightings of this species. When we envision a hyena, it's usually the spotted hyena that comes to mind. It is the species frequently featured in National Geographic and PBS documentaries, showcasing the interactions between lions and wildebeests. Spotted hyenas inhabit a range across southern Africa and can be commonly found in various national parks and game reserves. Due to their high visibility, there is a prevalent perception that hyenas primarily survive by stealing prey from lions and other predators. While it is true that spotted hyenas engage in such scavenging behavior, they are quintessential opportunists and won't turn down an easy meal. However, multiple studies have confirmed that spotted hyenas in the Serengeti and other regions obtain the majority of their sustenance through hunting large prey. Even a small pack of hyenas is highly capable of pursuing and bringing down animals like gazelles, wildebeests, and even zebras. Their jaws possess bone-crushing strength, and their digestive systems are adapted to handle and digest these tough bones. Although hyena clans can be sizable, most individual hyenas hunt and scavenge either alone or in large packs. Superstitious beliefs surrounding spotted hyenas exist across various cultures, often resulting in persecution. They are also vulnerable to being caught in poacher snares when engaged in scavenging activities. Despite these challenges, spotted hyenas continue to endure. During safaris, it is common to spot spotted hyenas in daylight, particularly in prey-rich areas like Kenya's Masai Mara and Tanzania's Serengeti and Ngorongoro crater. Additionally, they are frequently seen around wildlife lodges and camps at dusk and dawn. Following the extinction of other dog-like hyenas in North America due to climate change, the aardwolf remains as the sole surviving species. Sometimes referred to as the Monhar jackal, it bears a resemblance to a jackal rather than a typical hyena. Unlike its relatives, the aardwolf does not engage in hunting activities. Instead, it sustains itself by consuming small insects and larvae. Its habitat primarily encompasses the shrublands of southern and eastern Africa. The aardwolf exhibits a preference for resting during the day and becomes active at night, particularly when hunting for insects, with a particular fondness for termites. Although often mistaken for solitary creatures, aardwolves are actually monogamous and live with their offspring. They are territorial and tend to defend their territory by chasing intruders away. Currently, the aardwolf is classified as a species of least concern due to its extensive range. However, the loss of habitat and persecution by farmers who perceive them as a threat to their livestock pose immediate risks to their population. So there you have it, the 4 fascinating species of hyenas: the spotted hyena, the brown hyena, the aardwolf, and the striped hyena. Each has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that make them special. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of hyenas. Stay tuned for more thrilling wildlife adventures on our channel.